Hey, what's up, y'all? Meatless Monday, y'all. So check it. Today we doing sushi, vegetable sushi, y'all. Veggie sushi. So we got our sushi rice, we got our veg, we got our rice wine vinegar. So we need to go and do this, y'all. So you know what time it is. Let's get it.
So let's start off by making our rice. Now this is a cup of rice, and we're gonna go ahead and wash this up real good. Now you want to keep washing your rice until your water runs clear. Now this is sushi rice, y'all. Sushi rice. And hey, don't forget to give me that LSS. Just that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe, y'all. But anyway, when you see your water run clear like this, you know you're ready. Now since this is a cup of rice, we're gonna add a cup of water to it. Now if you did 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water, so on, so forth. Now we're gonna bring the water up to a boil in our pot, and then we're simply gonna put a lid over the top and cut our eye off, y'all. Now this is rice wine vinegar, and we're gonna make our sour part of our sushi rice. So we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, and then a half a tablespoon of salt. Then we're gonna go ahead and give that a mixy mix. Now once everything is combined thoroughly, we're gonna turn our attention to our rice. So we're gonna go ahead and get our sushi rice into a bowl. Fluff it up a bit. Then we're gonna add our vinegar, sugar, and salt mixture. And we're gonna make sure we get all that in there. Then we're gonna give that a little mix. Don't want to be rough with it though, y'all. Don't be rough with your rice. Don't be rough with your rice, y'all.
So yeah, y'all, these here, this is your mat for rolling the sushi. Now what I like to do, I like to put mine inside of a Ziploc bag right quick.
Now I know a lot of times I've seen people use saran wrap to do this, but this worked pretty good, so teach his own.
Because when you get ready to roll your sushi roll, a lot of times the rice will get on your bamboo mat, and then, hey, it's done. It's done once you get that rice on it for real. You know, you'll never really get it clean again. That's all. That's the only reason we want to do this. So now we got our nori sheet. Now our nori sheet has 2 sides. You got a smooth side and a rough side. Now you want to place your rice on that rough side.
So let's go ahead and get our hands wet. Now you want to have a little water on standby, just to wet your hands when you're dealing with this rice. That way it won't stick to your fingers. It makes it a whole lot easier, yeah. Make it a whole lot easier. But anyway, once you get it on your nori sheet, just go ahead and start spreading it out. Now you want to get it close to the edge, but not that close. You know, we don't really want a lot of rice spillage on the sides nor the front. Now I'm gonna add me a little avocado. So let me cut this avocado in half and give me some of this here avocado, y'all. Now I know everybody don't love avocado like I do. If you don't like avocado, don't use it. Not that big of a deal, y'all. Not that big of a deal. This is all about the veggies that you like. So after we get our avocado on, I'm gonna come in with our carrots. Now these are carrots that I simply have cut into like matchstick strips. You know, but thicker though. But thicker, y'all. Once I get those on, I'm gonna come in with my cucumber. Now again, like I say, you can substitute these vegetables out. You do not have to use these same veggies, y'all. Now after that, I added me some tomato, because that's what I like. But you can do spinach, asparagus, whatever you want. Now, when we get ready to roll this, we just gonna go into one circle. And once we complete that circle, we gonna stop. Give it a little squeeze. Make sure our form is right. And then look here, y'all. Check this out. See how that's going? Now, what we actually doing is just using the mat to keep it rolling. That's all. Just using that mat to keep it rolling. And then we just gonna roll it on through, y'all. Now once we get it rolled up, gonna cut it up into sushi pieces, bite-sized sushi pieces, of course. And guess what? It's time to eat, y'all. So I added me a little soy sauce. Gave me a piece of little dippy dip. And look at that, y'all. Look at that. Yeah, it's here a taste. And oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.